Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gwen if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do acrylic nails. Now, I am not a professional. I just started learning how to do acrylic nails during quarantine, and I do my own nails for fun. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my sister's nails for more practice. I start off by filing her nail beds to get a nice rough surface and push the cuticles back using a cuticle pusher. I'm not a fan of cutting the cuticles at all. I use a nail prep slash dehydrator and a nail primer to make sure that the nails last and do not lift or anything. I then clip her natural nails so I can have a nice clear edge to start off with. And then I've already pre-measured the nail tips to fit her size. This kit that I'm using is from Kiss, so their nail tips are a bit longer. I should have probably cut them down, but hey, that's fine. So I glue it on her natural nails and I hold it down for about 30 seconds each, just to make sure that the nail glue is properly dried on there and there's no air or anything. And then I cut the nail tips to the length that she wants. She wanted them about, I'll say this was about medium length for me, at least. And then once I cut those down, I then cut the sides of it to get this coffin shape. I find it so much easier to get that shape once you cut down the sides instead of like filing. So once I cut the sides down, then I file it down until it's that shape of the coffin. Then, of course, I make sure that the other side is the same length. Once that is done, I file the nail beds a little bit more, and then I start to apply the acrylic. Now, this is a basic kit that I got from the beauty supply store. So this is by Kiss. So the acrylic powder, the acrylic brush, they're pretty basic. I definitely need to go and order like a better quality brush and acrylic liquid and powder, so the process could be a lot easier. Because I feel like the brush I had was really small. So I definitely need to go order a bigger brush, because I feel like I was not able to grab the proper bead for the acrylic. It was either too liquidy or too dry. So I feel like if I had a bigger brush, it'll probably make it easier to get a proper size bead to do the whole nails instead of doing it like twice. So once I am finished applying the acrylic powder and all that good stuff, I give it a few minutes to dry, because you do not want to start filing or anything when the acrylic is not dry yet, because then it'll start acting weird. So once that is done, I file the nails down a little bit more and get it nice and smooth and get rid of all the rough edges. And she wanted this cute lilac color, so I used the gel polish. I painted her nails this really pretty purplish lilac color. And then once I was done, she actually wanted some design, and I literally love doing nail art. Still getting better at it, so I added some silver diamonds and little square stuff from this nail art kit that I have. And then I put all of that underneath the LED lamp and let that cure for a few minutes. And like I mentioned earlier, this nail actually lasted her for a good month with minimal lifting or anything like that, which is very amazing to me. I love when nails literally last and do not lift or break. So I was really happy about her results. So yeah, guys, that is the ending of the video. I cannot wait to get better at doing acrylic nails. As you guys can see, I'm literally not a professional. I'm still practicing, still getting better. I've attempted using acrylic powder. I've tried liquid hard gel, and I've tried poly gel. And for some reason, the acrylic is what I prefer to use. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And definitely more nail videos to come. I am so enjoy doing these nails on my own instead of going to a salon where they overfile and all that craziness. Let me not even get into that. But doing my own nails is very therapeutic, and I just quite enjoy it. So yes, guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.